In this video, I'm going to quickly take you through the process of how I clean a door panel. Usually when I make these videos for the camera, I'm kind of slowing down, taking my time, showing you parts of the detail. And this one, I'm just going to quickly like bum rush it as I usually do, because I'm just, when I'm actually out on a job site, I'm moving rather quickly. So here, I'll just kind of show you real time how I move. If you're interested in the tools and products that I use, you'll see them throughout the video, but you can also check the description box down below for all those links. So if you're worried about getting cleaner into the controls there, as I've seen a lot of comments about that, then simply put a towel over there or something. I'm going to quickly clean this door panel, so I'm going to spray everything down. But if you are concerned about that, then just put a towel over that, still spray everything down. And I'm not completely overly saturating it, guys. I'm just putting enough to get some agitation power going. And this is how I clean door panels. And this actually fell on the ground, so that's discarded and it's gonna be burned. Now I don't know how well you can tell, but there's like, you could see the brown coming off, and obviously that's not the color, that's the nastiness coming off the door panel. So here I'm still gonna clean it. I'm just not gonna agitate it with the, I'm not gonna spray the cleaner directly in there. We use this brush, clean it in here. Sorry, I'm looking at the camera right now. And then we'll work it in here. Open this door handle. Spray into these cup holders. Gonna work these here. Work the edge there. This is yet another yellow towel. I have hundreds of these. So check it out, it's clean, right? You can tell, hopefully you can clean. So let's give it a good wipey here. And bam, you can see that. That's all gunk coming off the door panel. Let's see this part right here. So this, again, clean, nothing on there. And let's wipe. Boom, and you can see all right here. So now let me just wipe everything down. And then get a towel, put it in your finger, or around your finger, kind of work in there. You can do this method, or as I'm about to show you, you can get a bigger brush and just work that brush in there. So make sure you get the corners here. And then what you want to do is, a lot of people forget this part, is that you'll want to push these down so you can expose the backside to it. Like here it looks clean, right, if I do this, but then once I pull this down, there's still a little bit of debris behind there. So you just want to do that very lightly though. So then this is a new brush, so this is one of my first time using it. So I use another brush instead of using your finger or a towel to get in there. Just use a bigger brush with longer bristles to get inside those tight areas. There we go. You'll be able to work everything out like that. Your towel. Wipe anything else out. And bada bing bada boom, a much cleaner door panel. Now if you want to razzle dazzle the door panel a little bit more, this is Meguiar's Hyper Dressing 4-to-1 into a towel. or an applicator pad, whatever you want to use, and just work it into either the black plastic panels, which is going to make the big difference, or if you want, apply it everywhere. There we go. I'm just doing it for the camera. I'll come back and touch that up because I probably did not touch up everything. But you get the point for the video, is that now it probably looks even better. Boom. And bada beam, bada boom, the interior or the door panel is complete, looking a lot better. Did not take that much time. If you want to do that at your home for your personal vehicle, wow, talk about wrong timing. But if you want to do this at your, on your personal vehicle, it doesn't take too much time. I know you see a lot of videos of like people using like these machines, these steamers, and keep it simple. Great results, not that many tools and products. You should have fun in your garage without spending that much money. So let me know if you have any comments, questions down below, and I'll see you on the next one.